I am Diana. I will show you how you can add clasps to your beadwork. Reinforce the beads of your work, so if you feel the beads of your work are too loose, pass through them once more. Make a loop on the end of the beaded chain. Pick up 7 pieces 11 size seed beads on one thread and pass through the last bead. Sew through the beads 2 more times to reinforce the loop. Tie a double knot, pass through some beads and cut the threads. If you need to add new thread to the other end of your work to make the other loop, watch the video How to add a new thread. You can find the link below in the video description. Insert a jump ring in the loop and insert 1/2 of the clasp in the jump ring. Repeat this on the other end of your work. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching and happy beading!